What's the first step for kicking? Love. Then, hype man, come dance and come dance. Hype man, come dance. Your time to shine.
I don't want dance.
He is speaking English. Come on, come dance. So, I don't know the dance. Dance and play because I need to know how. Show me how to try.
Track money, she got me in my face. Gotta be real with
love.
Kiki.
Love. Let me make mistake for you. So just see your shoe. You don't suppose know that. Who can really do Kiki for us now? I don't understand. All these Ajabota girls now. They say, Kiki, do you love me? But give it up for Drake, one of the baddest ever. Drake. Now for Nigeria, who be like our Drake now? Davido. Davido, I mean. You be caught is you. What a whiskey. See DJ, even get what to say. Hello. Yes. That whiskey, you need to carry crowd so that. But what of this guy? The guy in the hot now for Nigeria. You know? Fire shake. Fire shake, I can't take it anymore. My neck. Politics, as the politics, if you go fool you, best in neck break, only use the hand on the neck with rope. You can't see drop the hand, call the one guy. Hello. This country, I'm in pain, no. May God not let you be in pain in Jesus' name. Especially federal government pain. You know, your neck will fall, I'm telling you. She not tell her the right party APC for now. Hello. If anything happens next year, change party, hello. It's our country. That's why we suffer self, because you can just change party anytime you like. Abi Oga, we will say we'll be born Americans, we're not fit. It's either you're Republican or you're Democrat. That's what they born us. You shut up, Democrat. Imagine say Donald Trump just wake up, just go to a Democrat. It's not possible now. You understand me? This country, more than the radio, maybe before month end, Nigeria go travel, say hello. Yes now, I just praise it, baby. Just get your PVC. I don't know what you want to use and do, just get them. Yeah?